Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Nissan X-Trail 1.6 dCi N-Connecta XTRON. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission, and it is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with, then, you have your LED daytime running lights, which are brilliant for making you more visible, especially to other road users. Along with 18-inch 5 split-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the blue exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, allowing you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the graphite cloth upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, which are ideal for small children's car seats. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan round you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 53,650 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have your Bluetooth connection, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst travelling, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have your media connectivity via USB or aux, allowing you to listen to your own music whilst on the go. You also have a navigation system which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations, along with your rear view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You also have a dual zone climate control that you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. This has been a presentation on a Nissan X-Trail 1.6 dCi N-Connecta XTRON that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.